Hi, welcome to English class. See here, I have show you one project classification of the words. Here is a PPT about the classification of the words. The unit is the fun they had, and under this unit there is a classification of the words. Its objectives are to analyze the words, to acquaint the students with various words, to introduce new words, and to enrich vocabulary of the students. To introduce students to new words, they must know new words, and with the help of this new word to enrich the vocabulary of the students. Then see further. First, divided our learners into groups, then preparing charts, then classify the words with the help of cards. Afterwards, we have to choose destination, then give the proper instructions, then distribute the slips, snapping slips between the students. Pick and throw activity, and then leaders has to come ahead and present it. What will happen if we do like this? You will become able to classify the words properly. Here you have given classification of words, means you have given here the list of words, and you have to divide these words into ancient, modern, and futuristic. So with the help of snapping notes or cards, it will be easy to us to classify the words properly. They can easily understand the process. Students can easily understand this process. When we write the words with the help of a pictures on the card, then students easily understand if this is words from ancient word, modern word, or futuristic word. Also, it is a very enjoyable activity, so it will engage all the students and it will help to control the class, and also it will help to enrich the vocabulary because students will come to know so many words here, and because of this they can enrich their vocabulary. See here, there are small groups conducted in the class. Then they have given cards and they are told to classify the words. Yes, first, bicycle. Where we should put bicycle? Who will tell me? Yes, very nice. Bicycle. Bicycle came into the ancient. Wheels. Wheels, चाके. Correct. गाडीची वगैरे. Yes. Ancient. Very nice. Bullock carts. Bullock carts. Where we should put it? Bullock carts. See here. Bullock carts. Tanga. Yes. Who will tell me? Tanga, ghoda gadi. Very nice. Where we put it? Ancient. Very nice. See this picture? The flying car. Where we put it? Yes. Who will tell me? Very good. Flying cars are now not existed. In the ancient also they are not existed. So we can put it into futuristic. Very nice. Again, here you have shown flying car. This is also in futuristic. Tanga is where we can put it? Yes, ancient days. Very nice. Bullet train. Bullet train. These trains are with all facilities and they run on electronic system. Bullet train, yes, modern and futuristic also, very nice. Then see bullock carts. Yes, can you tell me the meaning of bullock cart? Oh, very nice, very good. Bailgadi. Barobar, very nice, good, correct. Yes. Where we put this word? Ancient, modern or futuristic? Ancient. Yes. Right, like this you have to first prepare groups, then you will ask to classify these words, and then I will give you box. You have to put these slips into the box. Leader will come ahead and he will read books. Where we put books? Yes, ancient, modern and futuristic. See here, students have here, I have snapping them notes. They were preparing this. They were divided into ancient and futuristic and modern activities, and then they have put this into the box. Again they put space shuttle. Where we put it? Yes, in futuristic. Very nice. And then they took these slips and they read loudly. Again there are other pictures also. Computer and laptop. Where we put this? Yes, modern and futuristic. Yes, very nice. Telephone and mobile. Telephone. Yes, modern and futuristic. Very nice. Mobile phone, telephone, ancient time also we can put it, ancient time. Mobile phone, modern and futuristic. Aeroplane, where we put it? Can anyone tell me? Yes, modern and futuristic. Multimedia, photo or picture. Yes, multimedia, photo or picture. Where we put it? Yes, modern or futuristic. Yes, very nice. Then when you divided this, you have to put your slips into the box. Then leader came ahead and he took these slips and read loudly. And then you have to come to know you are correct or not correct. Understand? If you have any problem, then ask me later. Thank you.